All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be your asynchronous instructions on how to complete the Rock Cycle comic strip. Okay, we're going to start on slide one. Slide one states, read along with me, please. Imagine that you are a rock. Your task is to produce a creative comic strip or a mini comic book describing the changes you go through as you progress from one form of rock to another, which is the rock cycle. Points will be awarded based on accuracy and creativity. On slide 2 is where this video will be located. On slide 3 are the instructions. Let's read along together. 1. Your comic must include the following words: sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock, igneous rock, weathering, erosion, heating, cooling, hardening, cementation, compaction, heat, pressure, magma, and lava. 2. You should include details about the time you spent as each type of rock and the processes involved to form. What do you look like at each stage? If you have crystals, how large are they? How did you move from one stage to the next? Did you mix with other things as you were cemented together? Do you have layers? Do you have a name that changes as your form changed? For example, limestone is metamorphosed into marble. 3. The minimum number of boxes in your comic strip or mini comic book is 6. You can add more if you like. 4. You may use a blank flat sheet of paper to create your comic strip format, which you can upload into Schoology. See slide 6 for directions, or you can use the provided digital template for your comic book. So let me walk you through the next one. On slide 4, you're going to see this is the scoring rubric. This is how your teacher is going to score you. You get a total of 3 points for using the boxes, half a point per box. You are going to have a total of 7 points for using words. There are 14 words, so half a point for each word. You describe igneous rock formation accurately. You describe sedimentary rock formation accurately. And you describe metamorphic rock formation accurately. Those are each worth 3 points. 3 points if your comic is in color and contains a title. 3 points for creativity and imagination. So the total possible points is 25. On slide 5, you'll see a video on how to give you helpful tips to insert digital pictures and word bubbles and thought bubbles into your comic strip. Please watch this video. On slide 6, if you choose to do a paper version of your comic strip, please watch this video for instructions on how to upload it. We will not accept emailed assignments. On slide 7, it says examples. The following slides are examples from other students. This is here to help you if you're struggling with ideas. You may use them to help you motivate or to create something, but you may not copy another student's work, either from someone you know or from the internet. This will result in a 0 for your assignment. So slide 8 had 9 and 10 have some examples. So here's one example where they did it digitally. It's still very simple but colorful. It talks about all the key words in here. You can read through it. Here is another example. They started off here as lava. So they're starting as igneous rock. And it's got a mama rock and a little kid rock. So very cute. And this one seems to be a lot of kids' personal favorites. Oops. And that's the Minecraft version. So if you would like to do a Minecraft version, that would be really cool. And here's an example of that one as well. On slides 11 and 12 are your tiles. So if you choose to do this assignment digitally, then you're going to insert it here. There's a place for your title. You can just click it and retype it and then add your pictures. And then on slide 12, continued if you need be. Okay, so this is going to be our assignment for our comic strip. If you have any questions, please let your teacher know.